Yeah, one of the Shipley crews is in Oviedo, Florida. That's near Orlando. And we reached out to driver Dan Myers, and he told me what he's been seeing as a result of this disaster.
From the time we've got here, it's just been work, work, and more work.
It has been long days for Dan Myers. The Shipley Energy driver often works from the afternoon until 4 or 5 in the morning. His job is fueling utility vehicles that are involved in the storm recovery. We spoke to him over Zoom.
Everybody's home. Every place you drive past. It's not just the one spot you see on the TV. It's everybody's home has junk in their yard, things that need to be cleaned up. Everybody is affected by this down here.
Myers says the people in Florida are extremely appreciative of what he and other people are doing to help them recover from the devastation caused by Ian.
It'll be nice to go home, but I have a mindset of, the job needs to be done here. As long as they need me here, I'm here.
Right now, Myers is not sure how long he and the rest of the Shipley team will be in Florida. In York, Ed Weinstock, WGAL News 8.